Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and to my step-by-step guide on how to form an LLC. I'm going to show you why filing for an LLC is a good idea and how to make one in a few easy steps. And for the purposes of this video, I'll be using Tailor Brands because I find them to be really reliable, fast, and affordable. So today I'll be explaining what LLCs are, how filing for one can help your business out, how Tailor Brands can help streamline the process, as well as a brief review of Tailor Brands services. So if you want to know more about LLCs and how you can start one yourself, well, this video is for you, bucko. And before we move on, if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more reviews. And just to be upfront, I do these reviews on brands that I'm interested in trying for whatever reason, and then I share what I know about them in the hope that this will help you choose what's right for yourself. Now, if you decide that you want to try out Tailor Brands, I get a little bit of a kickback if you use the affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything and you get a bit of a discount, which you won't find directly on their site, so we both get to win. Alright, so if you're just starting a business, you're gonna have to make a lot of important decisions, and one of them is choosing the right business structure for you. Now, you have a lot of choices, such as C Corp, S Corp, LLCs, sole proprietorships, and more. This choice is extremely important as it affects factors such as your personal liability and tax obligations. And among the variety of options available, one structure that many entrepreneurs opt for, including myself, is the limited liability company, commonly known as an LLC. So what exactly is an LLC? Well, a limited liability company is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, separating your personal assets from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets probably cannot be used to pay those bills. Also, LLCs offer flexibility in management, taxation options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. This versatility and the liability protection it provides makes the LLC an attractive choice for many entrepreneurs starting a new or existing venture. Now, finding the necessary paperwork and forms to establish an LLC can be quite confusing and time-consuming, and as a business owner myself, I can confidently say that my time is so much more valuable than dealing with this, which is why I chose Tailor Brands so they can do this for me. So if you're short on time, lack the expertise to handle the paperwork, or simply value your time and don't want to deal with all the paperwork, then there's a simpler alternative: hiring a company formation service to take care of everything for you. One such service worth considering is Tailor Brands, which is one of the best business formation services out there, especially for beginners, because they take care of everything on your behalf. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other great services that I also tried, such as ZenBusiness, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings, and I will leave review videos down in the description if you want to learn more about them, as well as talk about them later on in this video. Now, if you haven't heard of Tailor Brands yet, they're an all-in-one online platform that has helped more than 500,000 businesses form LLCs. Another great thing about them is that their team of experts will walk you through the process step by step, and the whole thing will only take a few minutes. But before we get into the process, let me tell you more about Tailor Brands. They were founded in 2014 to give new businesses everything they need to launch successfully. The founders of the company realized that the new businesses they were launching weren't taken seriously until they had business cards with a logo and other assets. So they went about creating a one-stop shop to give startups everything they needed in one place. So they made an AI-powered site that is centered around a logo maker that also gives you a website, digital business cards, and merchandise, along with registration and management services, so that you can get everything from them for a yearly subscription or by selecting individual services as you need them. Now, let me show you the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. You can complete the application in just 3 straightforward steps, which will take you around 5 minutes to complete. The first step is to specify your state, not your mental state, the actual state you live in. On the Tailor Brands official website, you will find a Choose Your State field. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select your state. After that, click on Get Started. For the next step, you'll need to respond to some simple questions. So basically, you will come across a series of questions that help the platform understand your business. These questions cover aspects such as your business name, the products or services you offer, whether you'll have employees, and the current stage of your business. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide your personal information, including your name and email address. And just to be clear, this information is solely used for forming your LLC and will not be shared with anyone else. The last thing you need to do is send in your LLC application and move on to the payment options. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Tailor Brands will take care of submitting your LLC application on your behalf. So, as you can see, the entire process is quick and efficient, taking less than 5 minutes of your time. Basically, Tailor Brands handles all the hard work for you, so you can have peace of mind while forming your LLC and focus solely on your business. There are lots of options available for getting your company registered, and I've used a few of them myself. So let's look at how they compare. If you want to register a company for free and only pay state fees, then check out Busy, Swift Filings, or ZenBusiness, who all offer a free registration process, but you'll need to cough up more for one of their paid plans that include other useful services to help you manage your new business and keep it compliant according to your state regulations. Tailor Brands is ideal for anyone who is setting up a business for the first time because they take you through a step-by-step process and they don't offer a bunch of services to choose from, which can be quite confusing. Swift Filings will file your registration for you for free within 10 days, and they register a range of company types, not just LLCs. And then they offer packages that start at $200. My Company Works is similar in pricing to Tailor Brands. They offer a basic formation package for $60 plus state fees that includes same-day filing, an operating agreement, compliance alerts, and a lot of other stuff. What they don't have that Tailor Brands has is logo and website design, but they do have specialized company formation and business management services. If you want a free and hassle-free LLC filing process, then ZenBusiness is probably the best option that only charges you state fees. But if you need help with brand identity and marketing, then Tailor Brands does all of that and offers a competitive company registration service as well. So to sum it up, Tailor Brands is an excellent solution for forming an LLC for your business. It offers a fast and user-friendly design. Also, the availability of complementary services like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards further enhances its value. The prices for their services are reasonable, making it a worthwhile investment in terms of the time and hassle you save. I recommend Tailor Brands for anyone starting a new business who needs everything from incorporation to brand identity and online presence in one easy and quick solution. So, for convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to start is a business name, then Tailor Brands has you covered. And that's going to be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try out Tailor Brands for yourself, then check out the link in the description to get the discount that is not available anywhere else. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll try to do my best and answer them as quickly as I can. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, guys, take care.